Happy Monday and welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. Doing a little bit something different today, something I used to do back a long time ago. I used to do like dedicated theme videos, like all healthcare jobs or all customer service or something like that. But then I started mixing it up, so I had a little bit of something for everyone if you wasn't interested in one type of job. But today I have a dedicated healthcare video because I know a lot of you are looking to work in the healthcare field, and none of these jobs require any kind of college degree, only a high school diploma. Now, they are more on the lower end entry level jobs, so pay for a lot of them might be between $16 to $18 an hour. There is one that pays up to $24 an hour, so we're going to dive on in. Links, timestamps, all additional information you may need can always be found in the YouTube description box below this video. Now, first up, we have the company Verisma Systems. They have 97 reviews from past and current employees, but their employee satisfaction score is a little bit on the lower end. It comes right in the middle at 2.5 out of 5 stars. Some people love them, some people hate them. So if you're interested in this job, make sure you come to their Glassdoor page and read all the reviews, see what people are saying about them. But they are looking for remote QA review specialist or quality review specialist for their medical records department. Now, I do want to note with all these jobs, because they are in the healthcare field, you are going to have to follow all HIPAA laws, regulations, guidelines. But Verisma is looking for somebody to review authorizations and requests for records to make sure that all the correct information, the pertinent information that is needed, is contained on the release forms, and the dates are valid for the relevant release process. You're going to verify that the attached medical records correlate to the authorization and request, that the documentation encompasses that patient only, following all quality policies, procedures, guidelines. You're sending notifications to the requester when needed. And of course, you are attending and completing on time all required training sessions that are provided by Verisma. So what this means is people will either request their own medical records, or they'll request like medical records be sent to doctor's offices, or maybe other doctor's offices will send in requests for medical records. And they have to fill out release forms. The patient has to fill out a release form saying what information can be provided to other people and stuff like that, what documents they can have, what information they can have. Maybe it is like an 18, 19-year-old child giving their parents permission to access their medical records, but you're making sure before you release and send those records out that everything on that form is correct. And of course, the only information that goes out is for that patient. You don't want other patients mixed in there. Now, of course, this only requires a high school diploma or GED, somebody who can be very detail-oriented, because, again, you've got to make sure everything is going out without any information that should not go out. You've got to be able to work computers, specifically those Microsoft Office systems. They're really looking for somebody who has at least 2 years of experience in some kind of a professional office environment. If it's in the healthcare setting, that's a plus, not required, but you do have to have knowledge of HIPAA guidelines and kind of know how to follow them. Now, pay for this position is all the way down at the bottom. It's anywhere from $16 an hour up to $17 an hour. Next up, we have a company that has a little bit higher rating. The company is Claritev. They have 518 reviews from past and current employees, that overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.7 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a claims data coordinator. Of course, this is work from home for the United States. And they're really looking for somebody to help support their department by reviewing, researching, and preparing those incoming client and provider submissions for next steps as it relates to the No Surprise Act. So you are really, the No Surprise Act is like no surprise billing. So you need to know, like, the bills have to be very detail oriented, right? Like every little thing that you're being billed for. So if you're being billed for a Band-Aid and then like a gauze or something, that has to basically be itemized. You can't have it all rolled together. So they are looking for someone to really analyze email and their website portal submissions to like insurance companies and all, creating cases, attaching the appropriate documentation, populating the applicable required system fields, and preparing submission accordingly for the next steps. So a lot of these no surprise bill acts, when you're billing to insurance companies, you have to include like medical records, documentation. You're just performing a timely data entry into all the systems. You're performing claims and systems research, trying to figure out what is the next steps, where the appropriate routing goes, where should this claim go, or It might include adjustment of medical rec claims. Like, do you have the documentation to support this? Should you just write it off and eat the cost? So, you are providing that excellent customer service and improving service delivery for all of these no surprise bill acts. Again, just following HIPAA guidelines. Now, this one again pays $17 an hour, only requires a high school diploma or GED, and they want somebody who has 1 year of experience in some kind of healthcare environment. They would love someone who has medical claims processing, but that's not required as long as you've worked in the healthcare environment. So if you've done like registration, front end desk, checking people in, things like that. Somebody who has knowledge of computer systems, specifically able to use those Microsoft Office systems. Somebody who can kind of be service oriented, flexible, adaptable, great communication skills. You can kind of follow through. Now, if you're really interested in working in the healthcare field, the company Cotiviti is hiring, and they're also one to kind of bookmark and check back weekly. I share this company a lot. They have lots of healthcare positions that are remote work from home. They have 1,500 reviews with an overall rating of 3.5 out of 5 stars. They're looking for somebody to kind of audit and support their COB or coordination of benefits and DM departments. Now, of course, this again, remote for the United States. But they're looking for somebody to handle the daily administrative activities within the coordination of benefits and DM departments. Now, coordination of benefits is kind of deciding what payer is first and what payer is second when a person has two different insurances, or even like if a person is in a car wreck, you have car insurance and then you have health insurance. So which one is supposed to pay first and then which one is billed second, if at all, to pick up the balance. So that is coordination of benefits. Who's first, who's second? That's kind of what that means. But they're looking for somebody to collaborate with all levels and members with the COB and DM auditing team, providing diverse support for those task-based assignments. You're communicating directly with insurance companies like Medicare or private insurance companies like United Healthcare, Blue Cross, the doctors, providers, and employer groups to obtain pertinent member eligibility details that will impact that correct order of member liability. Like I was just saying, that correct order of what insurance gets billed first, second, so on and so forth. If they have multiple different insurances, then you're doing data entry, of course, once you get all this information into the system, entering accurate member info, group info, claim information into all their systems and tools. You're just ensuring confidentiality and security of all of that data, again, adhering to those HIPAA guidelines. Only requires a high school diploma or GED and 1 year of prior experience. It does say including entry-level candidates are welcome to apply, so it doesn't look like you have to really have a lot of healthcare experience. They're looking for somebody who has kind of administrative support type experience or office environment experience. It doesn't necessarily, again, have to be in healthcare. You do have to be able to work those Microsoft Office systems, kind of navigate around computer software systems, have great communication skills, and strong attention to detail. Now, pay for this one is down at the bottom. It's anywhere from $17.50 an hour up to $19.60 an hour. And next, we have a job that's hiring you to kind of follow up those insurance companies to find out why they're not paying. The company is R1 RCM. They have 2,800 reviews from past and current employees, that overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.4 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a follow-up associate. This is remote for the United States. And of course, they're looking for you to work with third-party payers. These are insurance payers like Medicare, Medicaid, TRICARE, United Healthcare, Blue Cross Blue Shield, all the things, answering relevant questions and obtaining that appropriate information, resolving those unpaid claims. This basically means you're reading and interpreting the reimbursement information from the EOBs or explanation of benefits that the insurance companies provide when they don't pay a claim or only partially pay a claim. They don't pay it in full. Even when they do pay it in full, they still provide an EOB. You're reading the information on that EOB and working closely with those insurance parties, trying to get unpaid claims resolved, providing the medical necessity on the patient's admission. So you're basically, sometimes they will deny it because they have policies that they don't cover certain services. Maybe the patient didn't have benefits or coverage, or maybe the claim is coded wrong. You can recode it, change something on the claim, resend it out. Maybe a modifier was missing or something. Or sometimes they just want medical necessity, right? They want medical records proving that this was medically needed for this patient. But you're doing whatever you need to do, to whatever information you need to send to the insurance company, you're getting that and sending it to them. So hopefully you can get the denials reversed and those claims paid. Only requires a high school diploma and somebody who has knowledge in the healthcare industry. So you've worked in like health claims billing or third party contracts for at least 2 years. Somebody who has great analytical skills, fact finding skills, problem solving skills. You can kind of do the research and find out what the problem is. So you really got to be a self-starter and be able to work successfully both independently and as a team. Pay for this one is anywhere from $16.39 an hour up to $24.29 an hour. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a fabulous rest of your day, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.